What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're investing in stocks and crypto and want to understand not just what to buy, but why, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down two strong stock picks for long-term investors, explaining who these two companies are, what they do, and how they make you money. Plus, I'll finish with a full crypto market update, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. This is not financial advice, just education and research. Let's jump in. Stock number one. All right. I got Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Again, that is Apple. All right. For those who don't know, let me tell you what Apple is. First up, Apple is one of the most valuable and recognizable companies in the world. Apple is a global consumer technology company best known for products like the iPhone, Mac computers, iPads, the Apple Watch, and AirPods. But Apple is much more than just hardware. Let me tell you how Apple make their money. Let me tell you how Apple makes its money, okay? Apple actually makes money in two major ways, all right? Hardware sales, that includes iPhones, Macs, iPads, and wearables, okay? The iPhone alone still generates nearly half of Apple's total revenue. His services revenue, this is where Apple really shines long term. The services include Apple Store fees, Apple Music, iCloud, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Pay. All right. Services revenue and recurring high margin and keep growing, which is extremely attractive to investors. All right. And just to give you a quick snapshot of Apple stock currently, the current price is $255. The 52-week low is $169, and the 52-week high is $288. And the current PE ratio is 30. All right. Apple trades at a premium valuation compared to the overall market, but investors are willing to pay that premium because of Apple's brand power, loyal customer base, and consistent cash flow. Okay. Now let me tell you why investors like Apple. I'm going to tell you why I like Apple. Here's why Apple remains a long-term favorite. Massive ecosystem. Once people buy Apple products, they tend to stay. Me, for example, I got my first Apple product in, I like to say 2007. And I believe that was the iPhone 4 or 5. And I never went back. I never had an Android since. Not to knock Android. I think Samsungs are pretty cool. But once you have that Apple device, you're kind of locked in because it connects to everything. Everything that's on my iPhone is on my iPad. Everything that's on my iPad is on my Apple Watch, is on my screen, on my Apple TV device. I have Apple Pay, the Apple Card, everything Apple, and it just makes everything easy because it's all in one place. My MacBook, I'm shooting this video right now on a MacBook, and everything is synced, so it's so much easier to use. So I am a long-term Apple lover, and I don't plan on leaving anytime soon. Okay. It also has strong pricing power. All right. Billions in free cash flow, share buybacks that reduce total shares outstanding, growing services business that smooths revenue over time. Apple isn't just a growth stock. It's also a defensive tech company that tends to hold up better during market downturns. Okay. Think of Apple as a technology utility. It's deeply embedded in people's everyday lives. Okay. And that was my stock pick number one. That was Apple. Now, stock pick number two. And I'm going to choose JP Morgan Chase and Company, ticker symbol JPM. Again, that is JP Morgan Chase and Company. All right. For those who don't know, JP Morgan, again, my second stock pick, the largest and most powerful bank in the United States. All right. JP Morgan is not just a bank where people keep checking accounts. It's a global financial powerhouse. what JP Morgan actually does. JP Morgan operates across four major business segments. Consumer banking. This is everyday banking, guys. Checking accounts, savings, credit cards, mortgages, and auto loans. It's also commercial banking. They lend money to businesses, corporations, and institutions. All right. Investment banking and trading. This is number three, guys. This includes helping companies go public, IPOs, mergers and acquisitions, trading stocks, bond, and derivatives. All right. And the number four, the last thing I'll add about what JP Morgan is, asset and wealth management. Okay. Managing money for high net worth individuals, retirement accounts, and institutions. Let me repeat that for you. Number four, asset and wealth management, managing money for high net worth individuals, retirement accounts, and institutions. All right, let me give you a quick snapshot of JPM. Its current price is $312. The 52-week low is $202, and the 52-week high is $337. So not far off from that high, and the current PE ratio is 15. So it's still in a great area, still in that great zone where it'll continue to make money, guys. You know, this is one of those ones, just like Apple. These are two great stocks. You guys should, again, do your own research, simply my research. And as always, I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not trying to sell you on these stocks, but I will say these are two great stocks right here, and they have, unlimited potential. These are two companies that'll be around probably forever, guys. All right. Compared to tech stocks, JP Morgan trades at a much lower valuation, which makes it attractive for investors looking for value and income. Now, let me tell you why investors like JP Morgan. Strong balance sheet, consistent profits, pays a dividend, benefits when interest rates rise, led by one of the most respected CEOs in banking, Jamie Dimon. During times of economic uncertainty, investors often rotate into financials like JPM for stability. All right. JP Morgan is likely the backbone of the U.S. financial system. My apologies. When money moves, JPM is usually involved. All right. So again, two stock picks, JP Morgan and Apple. All right. So before we get out of here, I got to give you that crypto update. So here are the current prices investors are watching. All right. These are the current crypto prices. Bitcoin is currently at $95,400. Ethereum is currently at $3,290. Solana currently at $145, and XRP is at $2.07. Now, let me tell you what's going on with crypto right now. Bitcoin continues to lead the market. Institutional adoption and ETFs are keeping long-term demand strong, but volatility is still part of the game. Ethereum, on the other hand, remains the foundation for DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts. Staking and network upgrades continue to support long-term value. Solana, on the other hand, Solana is gaining attention due to fast transaction speeds, growing developer activity, and increasing use in payments and DeFi, DeFi, for those who don't know. And now lastly, XRP remains closely tied to a regulatory news and global payment use cases. It's one of the most debated cryptos in the market. Just a quick reminder for you guys, crypto is still high risk and it's highly volatile. Many long-term investors focus on accumulating during pullbacks rather than chasing hype. Again, with crypto, you want it to only be maybe at the most 5 to 10% of your portfolio. This is not something you go extremely all in on. Some people do it. I wouldn't recommend it. I will never go full all in on crypto. It will only make up 5 to 10% of my portfolio, guys. All right. So to recap, Apple, consumer tech service powerhouse. All right. That's stock pick number one. JP Morgan, stock pick number two. And it's financial system giant with dividends and stability. And crypto, as always, volatile, its opportunity and long-term potential. Drop a comment. Which stock do you like more, Apple or JP Morgan? Are you more bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or XRP? If this helped you, hit that like button, that subscribe, and let me know what you think. Okay. This page is for investors, beginner investors. I'm gonna teach you guys what I know, and in the comments, tell me things I could do to make these videos better. And I'm also willing to learn. So if you have a page, put it in the comments. I'll follow back. All right. And on that note, I am out of here. I will see you in the next one. Peace.